Good morning. This is Dr. Hemilata. Today we are going to see Introduction to NLP, Natural Language Processing. So the agenda of this video lecture, very short video lecture, is Speech and Language Processing. What is speech and language processing? How to capture knowledge of a language? What is a dialogue system? List of models and tasks that can be done using NLP, and why do you think NLP is very hard? So the thing which we have first get cleared is speech and language processing is not confined only to computer science. In computer science field, we call it as NLP, natural language processing, but it is also in existence with multiple domains, multiple departments, we can say. So under electrical engineering, you can call it as speech recognition. If we look at the problems under psychology, it is called as computational psychology. Under linguistics, it is called as computational linguistics. So we being computer science engineers and the AAE students will be calling here henceforth as NLP. So if I have a language, a text that has to be processed, then what is all required? You have to develop models for processing this language. So if you want to develop a model, then this model actually is going to do a search process. So these formal models in turn requires state space search. So we'll first look into what's a formal model. We have these many types of formal models: the state machines, the root systems, logic, probabilistic models, vector space models. These models, logic, probabilistic models, vector space models, root systems, and all, we have state machines also we have learned in the previous subjects. So what is the search thing which is required or executed by the models? So it is actually state space search. You are searching for a thing, you have to find it from a bundle of existing things. So how is this done? It can be done using tuning, parsing, or it can be like machine translation. It can be state machine search. It can be language tasks. So if it is a language task, then we'll go for machine learning methods. So these machine learning methods can be of two types. It could be classifiers. So under classifiers, it could be your decision tree. It could be your support vector machine. It could be Gaussian mixture models, or it could be a logistic regression. So if it is a sequence model, please remember your state space search. Under language tasks, you can go for using machine learning tools. They could be of classifiers or sequence models. So under sequence models, you can bring in your HMM, hidden Markovian model, or your maximum entropy Markovian model, or your conditional random files. So whenever I have language processing, there are two things. One is formal models, and second one is state space search. So what is a dialogue system? Dialogue system is otherwise called as conversational agent. It comprises of a language input and a language output. So the language input could be of automatic speech recognition or natural language understanding, and the language output can be natural language generation or speech synthesis. So this is a quick and short table which will help you to identify what are all the definitions that are related to NLP tasks. So what is summarization, classification, text entailment, semantic role labeling, resolution, named entity extraction, sentiment analysis. Please do remember each task. Okay, each task is a wide area which could help you to proceed further. Reading comprehension, translation, sentence pair classification, natural language understanding, user intent classification, natural language inference, part of speech tagging, and document grounded dialogue response. So the formal definition and the description is given on the right hand side. It's for you to refer. So there are multiple models, base models, which are performing a number of NLP tasks. These could be the list of journal papers which you can refer later. So these are all the other things which are done. The transfer learning that is done. For now, what is that is required for us is what is these two things, right? So what is translation? We have to find what is sentiment analysis, LSTM. We know all those things, right? RNN, CNN, LSTM, NLP. So this is a list of base models which are used in a NLP task. So, like before we get into the subject in detail, the usual start is you say NLP is very hard. So, why is NLP very hard? Simple reason, we are handling with language. Language is to be used in multiple ways by multiple persons. So ultimately it is totally ambiguous. So how to handle it? Simple, remove the ambiguity. Recover from the ambiguity. Disambiguate the ambiguity. So how is this done? It requires us to develop models and algorithms. So with this, we'll end this short video lecture and we'll see in the further lectures. Thank you.